Have you noticed that every problem today has exactly the same answer? Just ask AI. Need a recipe? Ask AI. Need brewing advice? Ask AI. Need troubleshooting? Ask AI. Need to decide what yeast to use? Ask AI. I'm going to say something that probably won't make everyone happy. Stop asking AI to make your brew recipes. Now, before anyone says I'm a hypocrite, let me explain. I use AI almost every single day. It's fantastic for organizing ideas, outlining videos, brainstorming titles, even helping me write better. I'm not against AI. I'm against outsourcing your brewing brain because AI has one giant problem. It has never brewed a single gallon of mead, wine, cider, or beer. It has never watched a sluggish fermentation suddenly take off. It has never smelled sulfur coming off a fermenter. It has never tested a young mead and thought, that'll be amazing in 6 months. It has never dumped a batch. It has never celebrated one that came out better than expected. AI doesn't have experience. It predicts words. That's an important distinction. People ask AI for the perfect recipe, as though one even exists. It doesn't. There are good recipes. There are proven recipes, reliable recipes. But the perfect recipe depends on you. What honey are you using? How fresh is your juice? What temperature is your house? What flavors do you like? AI doesn't know any of that. Here's something that bothers me even more. I see beginners asking AI to invent some crazy, unique recipe before they've ever made a traditional mead. Why? If you've never made the classic version, how do you know whether your new version is actually better? It's like deciding to rewrite a famous novel before you've even read the original book. Walk in someone else's footsteps before trying to blaze your own trail. That's why I've always told beginners, follow a proven recipe exactly. And it's not because recipes are sacred, it's because recipes teach. Every ingredient has a reason. Every amount has a reason. Every yeast choice has a reason. Once you understand those reasons, then start changing things. One change, then another. That's how you build experience. The funny thing is, experience can't be downloaded. You can't prompt your way into intuition. After enough batches, you'll start noticing things. You'll smell a fermenter and know something is off. You'll taste a sample and immediately think it needs more acid, less sweetness, or another few months. Those aren't facts you memorized. Those are instincts you earned. And here's the part I really want people to hear. Your senses matter more than AI ever will. Your nose, your tongue, your observations, your notebook. These are becoming smarter every single batch you make. AI is not. It's the same tool tomorrow that it is today. You, on the other hand, get better every brew day. Can AI help? Absolutely. Need help organizing notes? Great. Need ideas for ingredients? Fine. Need help calculating something? Sure. Need help writing a shopping list? Go for it. Those are great uses, but don't let AI become the brewer, because then you're missing the whole point of homebrewing. Homebrewing isn't about producing alcohol. Well, it sort of is. It's about learning. It's about experimenting. It's about making mistakes that teach you something. Some of my favorite brews weren't planned. Some of my biggest lessons came from batches that didn't do what I expected. No AI could have taught me those lessons. Only actual brewing could. Here's a thought. If AI disappeared tomorrow, could you still make a great mead? If the answer is yes, you're learning the craft. Congratulations. If the answer is no, maybe you've been relying on the wrong thing. Technology is wonderful, but experience is irreplaceable. So use AI as an assistant. Don't use it as your brewer. Trust your senses. Trust your experience. Those are the things that actually improve with every batch, and that's something no computer can ferment for you. As always, guys, thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.